Hello friends, welcome to Technical Mathvbn channel. In this video, we will solve this question, this equation, and here we have to find the answer of x. So 3x over 5 plus 4 is equal to 3. This is the question, and how to solve it. Let's look at the video. First of all, we have to remove this 5. For this, multiply the whole equation with 5. 3x over 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 will be multiplied with 5 on both sides. Multiply with 5 because here is 5, and after that 3x over 5, this 5 multiply by this, plus 4 multiply this 5, and this is 15. Clear? Now cut this number, cut this number. Clear? 3x plus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 15. Clear? Now 3x, shift this value on the other hand side. 15, this is plus and it will be minus, and its answer is minus 5. When minus 20 and plus 15 are solved, the answer is minus 5. Here is 3x. Now divide on both sides with 3 because we have to find the answer of x. This is cut off. The answer of x is minus 5 over 3. So this is the answer of this question. Very simple. It's not much difficult question, and this is the way to solve the question and get the answer of x. Thank you for watching this video.